All right, let's talk about starting a real profitable AI business. And I mean, without needing a huge pile of cash to get started. We're going to cut through all the noise and give you 5 simple ideas you can literally start today. Let's do this.
You know, the whole AI opportunity thing, it's huge, right? But it can also be a lot, super overwhelming. The question I hear all the time is just, where do I even start? So think of this as your roadmap, your starting point to actually making some money with this stuff.
Okay, seriously, stop scrolling.
You're here because you want to start an online business using AI, right? You want to tap into that incredible power. But, and it's a big but, you have no idea where to even begin. You're stuck. And hey, that's totally normal. There are so many options, it's easy to just get analysis paralysis.
Well, that's exactly what we're going to fix right now. We're breaking down 5 AI business ideas that are perfect for beginners in 2026. Simple, but powerful.
And here's the best part, okay? You don't need a ton of cash. This isn't about big investments, it's about using the AI tools we already have in a really smart way.
All right, let's dive into the countdown. We'll start with ideas 5, 4, and 3. As I'm going through these, I want you to think, which one of these feels like you?
All right, kicking us off at number 5.
An AI content agency. Now, this is such a great place to start, and here's why. Literally every single business on the planet needs content. I mean, the possibilities here are huge. You could be creating killer blogs that rank on Google, writing scripts for videos, or designing a whole month's worth of social media posts for a client, and you could do it in just a few hours. You basically become their go-to content machine powered by AI.
Okay, coming in hot at number 4,
An AI thumbnail business. And this is a perfect example of finding a super specific, high-demand niche.
I mean, think about it. For any YouTuber, the thumbnail is everything. It's what makes someone click or just keep scrolling. With AI tools, you could pump out tons of awesome, eye-catching thumbnails for creators who are just too busy to do it themselves.
All right, at number 3, we've got an AI voiceover service. And let me tell you, the quality of AI voices these days, it's gotten insanely good just in the last year. So you can offer these super professional sounding voiceovers for, business videos, YouTube explainers, ads, even entire audiobooks. And because it's way faster and cheaper than hiring a human voice actor, the market for this is just massive.
Okay, so those first 3 are fantastic, really accessible ideas. But now we're getting to the big guns. The ideas with some serious potential. Let's get to our top 2.
So, our runner-up at number 2 is the AI Video Automation Agency. This is where we take content creation to a whole other level. See, you're not just making a video here and there, nope. You're building entire systems that help creators pump out short-form content like crazy, saving them hundreds of hours of work.
Now, before we get to number 1, you have to understand the scale we're talking about. The source material for this whole explainer actually said, and I'm quoting here, "This last idea has huge potential." So yeah, this is a big one.
And here it is, the number 1 AI business you can start today.
is AI automation consulting. This is the whole shebang, people. Because you're not just doing a task for someone anymore. You're the expert, the strategist. You're the one who goes into a business and shows them how to use AI to save a ton of time and money. You're selling your brain, not just your hours. And that is how you scale.
Okay, so there you have it. 5 incredible opportunities. The question is no longer what's possible. The real question is, what are you going to do about it? So let's talk about your next move.
Look, the advice here is so simple, it's brilliant. Don't get stuck trying to decide. Step 1, just choose one. Pick the one that gets you excited. Step 2, take action. Do one thing. Research a tool, outline a service, whatever. And step 3, this is the most important one. Start today, right now, not tomorrow. So that's where we're at. The tools are here. We've laid out the ideas. The door is wide open. There's only one question left, and it's for you. Which AI future are you going to build?